Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious restaurant style starter, that is chicken Pahadi Kabab or chicken Hariyali Tikka. So this is a delicious tikka recipe which uses green chutney for the marination and is so delicious. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. To start with the recipe, here I have taken 250 grams of boneless chicken breast. You can also take boneless chicken thighs. To that I am adding half teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, juice of half a lemon. Mix everything well with the chicken. Marinate for about half an hour. Meanwhile, let's prepare the second marination. In a blender jar, I am taking 1 bunch of coriander leaves, half bunch of mint leaves, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, half inch ginger, 2 green chillies, and 1/4 cup of curd. Blend and make a smooth paste. Now transfer it to a bowl. To that add 1 teaspoon of crushed Kasoori methi, 1 tablespoon of mustard oil, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, a pinch of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix everything together. Now squeeze and add the chicken pieces. Chicken pieces have released water now, so it's better to squeeze and add them. Now mix the chicken well with the marinade. Marinate for about 30 minutes. Here I have taken skewer sticks. I have soaked them in water. Insert the chicken pieces. I am inserting around 3 to 4 pieces per skewer. Prepare all the sticks like so. Now heat 1 tablespoon of mustard oil in a grill pan. You can also use normal pan if you don't have grill pan. Add the kebab sticks when the oil is completely hot. Now lower the flame. Add the rest of the marinade on the top. Flip and cook on low flame from all the sides. Keep adding marinades on the top. This ensures the chicken have absolutely all the flavors of the marinade. Cook till it's charred from all the sides like so. Now serve hot with lemon wedges. You can also serve it with onion slices. And our delicious Pahadi Kabab is ready. This is a restaurant style chicken starter and it's so delicious. We are making it without tandoor, so it turns out to be super amazing. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.